Hello. I would like to show you a cleaning process that's guaranteed in writing. Color will never bleed, will never run. Guarantee in writing. I develop a cleaning process that makes sense. A cleaning process that's never used all the alkaline, soap, enzyme, detergent, and of course, never a scrubber. I clean your Oriental rug with the respect to the art. And I provide 100% guarantee. I will remove the urine odor completely. I will remove the dirt. And I guarantee the color will be tack and never bleed or run. How I do that? The blended minerals from the Dead Sea is acidic cleaning process, like a vinegar. So all the dirt with the pee-pee and the cleaning product that you used in the past, all of them combined together in the rug, deep inside the foundation of the rug. The gravity from the bottom plus the vacuum extraction through the rug from the bottom of the rug pull all the cleaner through the fiber. Makes sense. This is how the urine crystal will be washed out. And because the cleaner that I'm using is acidic, it's hold the fiber, not like the alkaline that break the color from the fiber, from the wool. Here is opposite. I am using the Mother Nature cleaning product, the best in the world, to eliminate the urine odor and to hold the color in the fiber. This is how I got so many reviews on Google Angels List, 5-star. Listen about Mrs. Tamara from Texas that she sent me a beautiful Oriental rug. She searched around. After she watched my video, she said, I am not going to send this big rug all the way to Florida from Texas. Somebody in Texas can do that. But she took my advice. She called anybody around and she asked them, do you guarantee the color will never run? Do you guarantee to remove the urine odor completely without masking the odor with a deodorize? And when she realized that no one give her the guarantee in writing, color will never run, and total urine odor removal, she realized that she have to send the Oriental rug all the way to Florida to be clean the right way. I cleaned the Oriental rug on the floor and I let it dry on the floor. After 12 hours, I hang the rug because it's dry 99.9%. That's it. I finished the cleaning process and after 24 hours, of course, I packed the rug. I put it in a nice package. UPS will come to my store, pick it up. I send it back to Mrs. Tamara to your place. Listen what Mrs. Tamara review.
Google verified review by Tamara Boykin. PetPeePee's revolutionary cleaning technique saved my beautiful rug. My wool antique Oriental rug was completely saturated with urine odor. Every professional rug cleaner said they could clean it, but the vegetable dyes would run and the white areas would be a little pink. Martin at PetPeePee sent my rug back to me odor-free with the colors intact, brighter and more vibrant than ever before. He provided excellent service, answering every question, making shipping effortless, staying in touch throughout the process, and even providing history I didn't know about the rug. I could not be happier with the results.
I answer, it was a pleasure cleaning your beautiful Oriental rug. PetPeePee, a cleaning process that makes sense. Would you like your Oriental rug to be clean like this? Call today. Thank you for watching PetPeePee Oriental rug cleaning naturally.